Many people are not clear that how we provide ODM, OEM, and OBM services. Today, we will show you every step of it. At the outside, clients engage in detailed discussions with our team regarding their product requirements, including design preferences, color schemes, material specifications, packaging expectations, and estimated order values. Based on this information, we provide a preliminary cost estimate to assist the clients in refining both product direction and budget planning. Upon confirmation of requirements, our design team develops comprehensive design drawings encompassing product appearance, structural details, and all relevant technical specifications. Continuous communication is maintained throughout this stage to ensure alignment with clients' expectation prior to the final approval. Following design approval, a physical prototype is produced for clients' evaluation. Once the sample is confirmed as satisfactory, both parties finalize agreed-upon pricing. The client then submits the stipulated deposit payment to proceed mass production. Upon receipt of the deposit, we initiate full-scale production in strict accordance with the approved sample and the design specifications. A series of quality control inspections are conducted at multiple stages during manufacturing and prior to shipment to ensure consistent product quality. All products are packaged according to the client's specific instructions. After completion of production and final quality verification, the client settles the remaining balance as specified in the contract. We then arrange shipment and coordinates closely with logistics partners to ensure timely and reliable delivery. Our commitment extends beyond delivery. Comprehensive after-sales support is provided to address any issues that may arise during product use. Our dedicated service team responds promptly with practical solutions to ensure ongoing client satisfaction and seamless business experiences. This framework represents the standard cooperation process with Xirui. Actual timelines may vary depending on product complexity and customization requirements. For further inquiries or to initiate a project discussion, please do not hesitate to contact us at any time.